Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be doing an updated review on one of the products that I installed in my truck, specifically the floor mats. Now, I've done a pretty poor job of making updated review videos on some of these products, mods, and stuff that I've done and installed on my truck. I'm going to try and do better at that, hence why I'm making this video. So today, we're going to be starting off with the floor mats. So I installed these floor mats over a year ago. The brand is Issy Auto, I-S-S-Y Auto. These guys are very well laser measured and do a great job of fitment all along. They come up and under the pedals as well. This is all covered. I would describe the material as kind of like a hard rubbery plastic. It does have some bend, some flex to it, but it still is like hard, so it's not like full rubber. They do a fantastic job of covering and protecting the carpet area underneath. I'm gonna remove this guy. As you can see, it's got plenty of dirt and sand on it already that it has protected my carpet from. So I'll remove this guy and show you how well and how drastic it protects the carpet underneath it. To remove it, you're gonna take this thing, you're gonna slide it up, and then it'll lift right off. So that's what keeps it like in place, is these little knobs, 1 and 2 right here. And once you've removed this, they just lift right out. Okay, so here is the mat. As you can tell, there is plenty of dirt and sand collected in this thing. And now let's go over and see how much cleaner. It honestly looks like it has like vacuuming carpet lines, but that's actually just the exact outlines of all the ridges in the floor mat right there. As you can see, this area right here didn't have any sort of like protection on it, and you've got all the same dirt and sand as back there. And then when you come over here, all this carpeted area is beautifully clean. It's never seen any dirt, never seen any sand, because it's had some really solid floor mats protecting it. Now, full transparency with you guys, this company sent me over a year ago these floor mats for free to make an install and review video. However, this video that I'm making right now is completely my decision. It's because I actually like this product. I would feel comfortable and safe recommending this product. If it came down to my own personal choice, I would spend my own money on this product because it really is a solid floor mat, and it's very inexpensive compared to what you could be paying on the market today. So as you saw, that floor mat covered the driver's side for the price. You also get the passenger side one, and you get this large, I've got a underneath this back area storage thing, but this entire back seat area floor mat thing comes in with the same price. Actually still have the original carpets from factory. But yeah, this it comes with 3 pieces. It covers the driver's side, passenger side, and back area. It's held up beautifully. It's protected everything very, very nicely. Side note, I love it when my neighbors drive by and they see me like walking around talking to a camera and everything, and then they just like driving by and they stop and they're like, what is he doing? YouTube life, baby. Another awesome feature is how easy these things are to clean and maintain. So for one, you could essentially just flip it over, knock all the loose dirt out, and then you'd be significantly cleaner and good to go to put this thing back in. However, you could also just take a hose, spray it down, and that would clean everything out really, really well. So very easy to maintain, and they maintain their shape very well as well. Because like I said, it does have some give, it does have some rubberiness to it, but for the most part, it is a hard plastic laser measured cover that does a very good job of maintaining like the shape and the integrity of it. So now y'all might be wondering, all right, sounds good, where can I pick these up? Short answer, Amazon. I'm going to be leaving 2 different links down in the description below. The first one is going to be for the floor mats that I just talked about that I personally got for my truck. The second is going to be from another company. Technically it's another company, but I'm pretty sure this is another company that's owned by the same parent company that owns both of these. The floor mats are completely identical, Basically, the only difference is the name that's on the floor mats, but I've installed these on my dad's personal truck, and they are identical in every single way to the ones that I installed on my truck. The reason that I'm leaving two different links is because when I went to check, the ones that I have on my truck right now are actually sold out. So on the off chance that they aren't restocked in the near future, I left a second link down there for the exact same floor mats, just with a different name on top of it, that are in fact still available and ready to ship, ready to purchase today. If you guys like these types of videos, if you guys want to see me do more up-to-date product reviews on stuff that I've installed on my truck or done to my truck back in the day and hear how they're doing now, let me know specifically what you want to have a review video on, and I will make it happen for you guys. Thank you so much to everybody who's been subscribing. We're at like 9,900 subscribers right now, and I am so stinking excited to hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. It would not be possible without every single one of you, and I cannot thank you enough. We've got some really cool big news coming in some of these next videos I'm really excited to share with you guys about, and it will also provide some really cool opportunities for this channel as well. So again, really excited about that, and thank you all so much for all of your support. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!